Hi everyone. In today's video class, you are going to learn how to calculate resistance, impedance and to determine the inductance value of a choke coil in different combination. Then what is a choke coil? Choke coil is nothing but an inductor which stores electrical energy in the form of magnetic field when AC current flows through it. The term inductance of an inductor or choke coil is a measure of how much it could oppose the AC current flowing through it. The inductance of an inductor is denoted by the letter L and the unit of inductance is Henry. The inductance of a choke coil or inductor can be written as L is equal to V divided by di by dt. This shows the inductance L is directly proportional to the induced voltage and inversely proportional to the changing current with respect to time. Impedance Z. Impedance of an inductor or choke coil is a total opposition of AC current. It has two components. One is resistance R and another one is inductive reactance XL. The impedance can be calculated by using the formula Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square. Resistance R. The resistance of an inductor or choke coil is a property of that coil's wire that opposes the current flow. It is also depends upon the material used in the choke coil like copper or aluminum as well as the wire length and thickness. Inductive reactance XL. Inductive reactance of a choke coil or inductor is the opposition of alternating current due to the phase difference between voltage and current. When AC power flows through the inductor, the voltage and current does not sync. They differ in phase. Due to this phase difference, some power is wasted and it is termed as inductive reactance XL. It is also called as lagging power factor. Inductive reactance XL can be calculated by using the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Now, let us calculate the resistance and impedance of the choke coil in series circuit. Assume two choke coils, namely L1 and L2, are connected in series with AC supply 230 volt 50 Hz frequency as shown in the picture. Let the inductance and the resistance value of the choke coil L1 be 0.5 Henry and 10 ohm respectively. Same way, the inductance and the resistance value of the choke coil L2 be 1 Henry and 20 ohm respectively. To calculate the total impedance of the circuit, first we need to calculate the total resistance and total inductive reactance of the circuit. The total resistance of this circuit is 30 ohm. This is calculated by adding the resistance values of choke coil L1 and L2, 10 ohm, 20 ohm. As in series circuit, the resistance values are additive always. To calculate the total inductance of this circuit, we need to calculate the total inductance. In series circuit, the total inductance is equal to sum of individual inductance. So in this circuit, the total inductance is 1.5 Henry. Substitute the inductance 1.5 Henry and frequency 50 Hz in the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL to determine the inductive reactance XL. By simplifying this equation, we get inductive reactance XL as 471 ohm. Now substitute the total resistance 30 ohm and total inductive reactance 471 ohm in the formula Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square to determine the total impedance value. By simplifying this equation, we get the impedance Z as 471.9 ohm as total impedance of this series circuit. Now, let us connect the same choke coils L1 and L2 in parallel with 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply as shown in the picture. To calculate the total resistance of this parallel circuit, substitute the resistance value in the formula R is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. By simplifying this equation, we get the total resistance of this parallel circuit as 6.66 ohms respectively. To calculate the total inductive reactance of this parallel circuit, we need to calculate the total inductance of this parallel circuit. When two choke coils are connected in parallel, the total inductance can be found by using the formula L is equal to L1 into L2 divided by L1 plus L2. By simplifying this equation, we get the total inductance of this circuit as 0.33 Henry. Now substitute this inductance 0.33 Henry and frequency 50 Hz in the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL to find the total inductive reactance. By simplifying this equation, we receive the total inductive reactance as 104 ohms. Now, substitute the total resistance 6.66 ohm and total inductive reactance 104 ohm in the formula Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square to find the total impedance of this parallel circuit. By simplifying this circuit, we get the total impedance as 104 ohm. Now, you can connect another choke coil L3 with inductance of 1.5 Henry and resistance of 15 ohm in series with the existing parallel circuit as shown in the picture. To find the total resistance of this circuit, first simplify the resistance R1 and R2. Now, the circuit consists of two resistance 6.66 ohm and 15 ohm in series. By simplifying these two resistors, we get the total resistance of this series parallel combination circuit as 21.66 ohm. Same way, to find the total inductance of this series parallel combination circuit, first simplify the inductance L1 and L2. Then the circuit becomes two inductance 0.33 Henry and 1.5 Henry in series. By simplifying these two series inductance, the total inductance of this circuit becomes 1.83 Henry. Now, substitute the total inductance 1.83 Henry and frequency 50 Hz in the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL to find the total inductive reactance. By simplifying this equation, we get inductive reactance XL as 574 ohms. Now, substitute the total resistance 21.66 ohm and total inductive reactance 574 ohm in the formula Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square to find the total impedance. By simplifying this equation, we get the total impedance of this series parallel circuit as 574 ohm. So far, in this video, we have discussed how to calculate resistance, impedance and inductance of choke coil in different combinations like series circuit, parallel circuit and combination of series and parallel circuit. Thank you for watching.